Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Guys, today's video is all about Home Bargains, another one of my favorite shops. Don't know why I'm singing it. Maybe I'm just so happy. I was shopping in B&M today and I picked up all this stuff and I could not wait to show you guys. I'm probably going to upload this video a few days after I've done this video, just so I can edit it and make it all nice and fancy. But a Home Bargains haul. Guys, again, I'm using my little elf mates giving Santa a helping hand bag. These reusable bags are awesome. So if you see these bags constantly in use in my videos, just know that the stuff inside is new, the bag is reused. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just get through this video because I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. The first thing that I bought is this adorable Diva Spritz. This is a body mist trio. You're getting a set of 3 body mists, all at 100 milliliters each inside this little pack. This pack costs $1.99, which I think is an amazing price point. You've got Dance All Night Long body mist. You've got Follow the Call of Disco ball. And you've got Too Glam to Give a Damn. And they're so cute. Love the iridescent look to this package. It's a great gift idea. But not just a gift idea for Christmas. A gift idea for birthdays. As a hamper, you know, any kind of birthday gift. It's also great if you want to buy it for yourself to have a little sparkle in your life. These are adorable, and at $1.99 I think that is an awesome price point. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, okay, these are just funny. So I don't use a lot of hairspray, but I was out the other day and I put my hair up. That is an also unusual event, and I do have little wispy bits of hair. They're called baby curls, and I just wanted to straighten them out, and I saw this pack. It is a 3-for-2 Clippers hairspray. I'm hoping that I didn't buy hairspray that is colored. You get a pack of 3, so you're getting the trio for 99p. I don't use a whole lot of hairspray. This will probably last me a long time. One will last me a long time, but it's also always good to kind of have them on hand. They're small, they're compact. You're getting 45 milliliters of product, perfect for me. I'm just going to spray this. Oh, perfect. It is just clear, normal hairspray, which is perfect. And it's just to keep, the smell of that hairspray is so nice. It's got a really nice floral scent. I really like that. But it's perfect for me. Pop in my handbag, use it whenever I need to, just to pop the wispy bits of hair back. And I think 3 for that price point is pretty awesome. Let's see what else we'll pull out of the bags. Okay, I picked these little wooden jigsaws up. They are CBBs, which I think is awesome. They're super adorable. I have a really young nephew. He is going to turn 1 very soon, and he just loves these kind of things. These are the 2 sets that were available when I was at Home Bargains. You've got Space Bug Bites, and you've got the little ABC one. These were only 99p each, and I think that's great value. They are plywood, so they're just like your first little wooden jigsaw, and I love wooden toys. I don't know, it brings me back to my childhood. I think they're so cute. These are the 4 that you can collect. These were the only 2 that were available when I was there, or I would have purchased all 4, but I think that is an awesome price. 99p a pound, 99p or a pound for each of those, which is pretty good. Oh my gosh, I couldn't walk past this. So these are made by Daniel's Delights, DD. They are 40% single origin milk chocolate. These ones are in Mississippi mud pie. You can get them in all different flavors. These, I bought 3 of these. I'm not going to lie. I was going to say I bought 2, but I'm not. I bought 3 and I've eaten 1. These are really good chocolate. This chocolate is made in Great Britain. You are getting 2.8 ounces of product. This chocolate is so nice. I'm so glad I bought 3. I'm really glad I ate 1. I will probably share these with other people, but 89p I think is great, and the chocolate quality is on point. The next, oh my gosh, I actually bought 2 of these. These are so cute. These are little Transformer look-alike water games. They only had 2 colors, and in fact, they had more yellow than red. They only had 1 red left. I picked up both. They're both identical apart from color, and they're these little water games where you shoot the little rings up in the water and try and get them onto the hooks. I think these are so fun. They're just cute, fun, cute, and they don't have batteries, and there's something you can play with for quite a long time without having to replace batteries and things like that. So these little robot games are super cute. These robot games were 79p, and I think that is pretty cool. If you have anybody who is young and it's their birthday, these are always a nice little addition, a little bag filler, party fillers, things like that. They're real fun. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, we have a couple of things. We have some hair products. I have naturally blonde hair. It's like a darker blonde, and I used to put highlights in it, and then I decided I wanted to tone the blonde down. So I buy these Schwarzkopf Polycolor Permanent Cream Color tints all the time. They are £2, $1.99. I think they're amazing. They take 30 minutes. You're one and done. It is so good. This color is perfect for me. It's dark brown. I actually have 2 toned hair colors. So I have brown at the top that wisps into blonde. I do both my own hair colors. I also buy the blonde one and I pull it through with a comb that gives that little 2-tone effect. But I love these colors. So these are only $1.99. Guys, if you're going to use home hair dyeing products, please do the patch test. I did a patch test when I first started using these products. These work perfectly for me, but you guys know that some other people have had reactions, so please don't buy these and put them straight on. Do the patch test 24 hours beforehand to make sure that it is good for your skin and it doesn't cause you any reaction. Again though, they're perfect for me, and that is awesome. They've got keratin strengthener, so yeah, perfect. However, what does happen is I don't like to dye my hair too often. And what happens is that the blonde roots come through, and I don't really like that. So in order to touch them up when in between hair dyes, I buy this Root Perfect Instant Root Concealer Spray in the dark brown. It conceals regrowth, it covers grey, and it washes out. I really like this. I only tend to put this in my hair. When I have this in my hair, I will tend to wash my hair more often because it does put like a, almost like it's kind of like hairspray. So it gives you that stickiness and that kind of rough texture to your hair. So I don't mind using it in between colors, but I will wash my hair more often because I like it when it's out. But it is great. This is only $1.99. This lasts me such a long time. One bottle of this will last me probably 6 colors. So it's perfect for me. So if you guys are in need of a little root touch-up, these are definitely one of my fan favorites. Okay, let me show you what else we've got in here. Okay, we've only got a couple of things left. Inside this bag, we bought these little Trolls World Tour glitter bouncy balls. I think these are super cute and adorable. Inside this pack, you get a pack of 3. We are going to open this pack. You can see all the trolls, some of the trolls on the back. Oh my goodness, I threw them. This little bouncy ball pack cost me 49p. I think that is an awesome price. Trolls is a DreamWorks licensed product. So to get something like this for 49p, I definitely had to pick it up. The first little bouncy ball we have is this guy. I do not know what this guy is called, but he is cute. And they are covered in glitter. So that's bouncy ball number 1. Bouncy ball number 2. Oh, Poppy. I know who Poppy is. Poppy and her little guitar, maybe banjo. Poppy is my favorite troll ever. And I think she's super cute and adorable. These are, I love the fact that they're double-sided. And they're a really good sized bouncy ball. And oh, I don't know who, guys, do you know who this is? If you know who this is, please leave it in the comment section for me below. This guy is cute. He is adorable. This is him right here. Oh, he is so cute. I really, really like him. And please tell me in the comments who this guy is. Please tell me in the comments who this guy is. But these are great little party favors. Let's just check the bounce. Brilliant. These are great little party favors. If you are having a child who's having a party, you can buy a couple of packs of these, open them up, and you've got one for each of the bags. These are adorable. I really, really like them. I am going to give these to my niece who loves trolls and also likes bouncy balls. So that is a bonus. The next little items I have are two little items. These are gorgeous floral candles. I just love the old style floral country house, farmhouse look to these candles. They've got two different scents. They are floral and mimsoa, I think, and floral and rose. They are spring meadow and summer bloom. Love the fact that they're in a little tin. They are 130 grams of candle and you're getting a 12-hour burning time approximation. This is what they look like inside. This one pops with rose. You can definitely tell there's rose scent in there. So if you like a bit of rose scent, they're fantastic. Guys, did I mention these are 49p? These are 49p. Oh my good Lord. That is so good. The little spring meadows looks like this inside. It smells like a spring meadow. It is so floral. It is so nice. And for 49p, I think these are awesome. These are to decorate a bedroom. I probably won't light these candles, but they're just to add a bit more of a girly feel to my bedroom. So super cute, super adorable. I am so happy with that. Guys, so that bag is empty. The last products that I have to show you are these. These are so cute. I will open these and show you what's inside them, but I'm going to I bought quite a number of these, so I'm going to do a video on these bath bombs and do a review and see what we think of them, see what the hidden surprises are like inside. So I wanted to show you guys the Bliss bath bomb and surprise gem. So you get this little packaging, which is awesome. These are 59p, which I think is a really good price point for the bath bomb. You pop them in the bath, you let them dissolve, fizz away to their heart's content, and then you get this gorgeous little gem inside. So they come in, I think, 3 different colors. Let me just open the bottom. I love the fact that they have this amazing, easy to open bottom. These bath bombs are 72 grams. So for this price point, you're getting a lot of bath bomb for your buck, which I think is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is in a shape of a heart. How cute is that? So we've got blue, we've got pink, and it also comes in yellow. But guys, do stay tuned to my channel. I will be showing you these bath bombs. We will be doing a little review, a little fizz them up and see what's inside. So 59p. These are adorable. Again, guys, if you're having a birthday party and you want to put something a little different into your party take-home bags, these are really cute and super inexpensive. You know, this could actually be your party bag. You could just give all of your guests one of these little Bliss bath bombs with the surprise gem, and they would be so super happy. Well, guys, that is my home bargains haul. What did you think? Let me know in the comments section below. Tell me what your favorite item is. My favorite item for this, I think the bath bombs are the things I'm super excited about. Hairspray is probably my least favorite, but it's necessary. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button, that like button. That really does help and support my channel, and it really helps and supports me to know what kind of videos you guys like, and to make the content that you guys want. So if you let me know, that would be awesome. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, have an amazing day. Take care, everybody. Please stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.